Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the SP 500 index fund analysis, the Nasdaq 100 analysis, the DXY or US dollar analysis, plus at the end the Bitcoin price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So as you see here, the SP 500, what it done today, it fell down very sharply here, and it went exactly how us we said in the last video. In the last video we told you we got here a level like that, and here when it's getting broke here we need to enter short, and that's what it's showing till now. It fall down till here, till where us we tell you exactly you need to start protecting yourself here at that last peak here and that one here. So now what shall you do here? So now what shall we do, guys? Here we don't have nothing to do because there is no price action here indicating the market is going to go higher, and here it's showing the market is going to fall down more. That's what it's showing here, because if you move in from here from 4 hours to daily, you're going to see a clear picture. So let's go in there. Here we are in the daily. As you see here in the daily, yesterday and today there is big two candles. They are falling, consecutive days falling. What that indicating? It's indicating the SP 500 is still recognizing that 200 moving average here as a big resistance. So till now also we still here in a downtrend, and that's something very bad. Yes, also we are here. If you're looking at that peak here, that one, if you came to it and you draw in there a line like that, you see and you are in it now here. But for us to know the market is going to reverse, it needs to break at least that 200 moving average. Is going to tell us the market is going to go long. I'm talking here about long term. So here now it's showing to us as if it's going to give us here a double top, and that's something very bad if it give it to us and came and breaking the last low here. You're going to see the SP 500 falling down more than that, and that's what we don't want. It's going back now to the 4 hours to analyze for you more. So here in the 4 hours, as you see it, it's showing it's still falling. And if you're looking with me here like that, what you got here, you got a cup and handle here. If it came and breaking the last low, which is here, that one here, with that last peak here, if a candle came and breaking here, you do it like that and like that. So that one is going to go till down here. That's what it's showing to us, the analysis. Also we enter short when it's breaking here in that candle here, that one, and I'll show you why. Till now also we still going with it. It's our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, it's being here at the overbought area. Also we've been waiting for a price action. It came to us when it's breaking here, we enter short. Now we are going here to the oversold area. When it's touching the oversold area, we started protecting ourselves. Now also we're protecting ourselves here because over here we got a very stronger supply and demand zone, and I'll show it to you even in the daily. Now try to protect yourself, lock some of the profit. You don't know what's going to happen. Maybe from here it's going to go back up. We don't know exactly what's going to happen, because if you make a close eye with me here at the 200 moving average, what it's telling us here in the 4 hours, the market is flat. There is no trend. By the way, to know there is a trend, the 200 moving average need to be in 45 degrees like that, going up or falling down. That's how you know it, you are in trend. Now the market is very flat here. So there is no move now. That's why I told you, try to protect yourself now. You don't know what's going to happen. You are in profit now. You enter from here. Now you are in nice profit. Try to protect yourself. Now it's going to 30 minutes to see what is it there for pictures to get more clarity. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, as we used to have here, a wage like that. When it's getting broke here, we said in the last video, we said over here, it needs to be the take profit of you. So people didn't know how to trade over here. They taking some profit and they moving stop lose. Look where you are now. Should you buy now? No, my friend, you don't got any price action here indicating the market is going to reverse. Yes, you can make here like that a downtrend, but even that one, it's not that clear for you to enter long. You need to wait in at least the market to give you here a price action indicating the market is going to reverse. Till now there is nothing new. Level, yes, you are in a very stronger level, but here it's showing it came here. Now it's showing it's giving us another low. That means it's going to fall down more than that. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator is entered here to the oversold area. Level, we are in a very stronger level in 4 hours in the daily. Should we buy? Not yet. We don't got any price action here. We need to wait in a little bit till a price action appear here, like how it appeared to us here when we enter short tail down. Same thing, we need to wait in that. How is it trading? Trading is not gambling, it's education. You need to know what you're doing. Now let's going to see the Nasdaq 100, what it's doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Nasdaq 100. That one the same thing. If you remember that one, what else we said here? We said we got here a small wage. It's getting broke here. Look where you are. And I'm going to explain to you why the SP 500, why the Nasdaq is falling down today. So let me show you some news. The news will come today to explain those things to you. So it's going there. As you see here, that the news will come today. Over here in that square me are drawing for you. The news was sent the SP 500 and the Nasdaq to fall down is that one. Is the building permit for December. As you see it, how it used to be here, 1.351. This month it fell down to 1.330. That's when the housing sector in America is doing very bad. And even here, if you look in here at the VIX, today is 21.58. Scariness, it came back to the market. People, they are scared from recession. And there is one article here in investing.com. Here it is. That article is saying US stocks were falling as recession fear return. That big problem here. And you can read it as you see it here. Here, let me show it to you a little bit. As you see here, in that square here, I'm going to draw. I'm going to explain it to you. The Fed, they want the interest rate to reach to 5%. And you know when interest rate is high, that's something very bad to the economic. And now we are at 4.5. And in the meeting of the Fed, maybe they are going to increase it more. So we don't know exactly what they are going to do. So that way you see people, they are scared now from inflation, from recession, because now inflation is not yet. Also, we passed it now. And that's something very bad, guys. As I told you, the Fed, it want the interest rate to reach to 5%, and that's not good. That's not good news. That way, if you came here to that one here and you're looking at the VIX, that's how you need to connect in the dots. If you're looking at the dot at the VIX, you see it today, the fear is getting higher. We are 21.61 when we used to be just 2 days. We used to be below 20. That's when Fed is getting higher. Why? Because Fed, they are going to increase interest rate more till they're reaching to 5%. 5% is something very bad for the economic of USA. So now USA as an economic, they have a lot of problems. I don't know where they are going to find a solution for it. And people, they see and now the Fed, what he's trying to do, it's not solving nothing. US economic is going to a recession now. And that way you see the stock market, it's reacting to that and you see it falling like that. So now it's going back to the chart. So here, as you see, the Nasdaq 100 now, it's falling here. As you see it, it's falling from here till now. Now what the view? We are here at a very stronger level here in the 4 hours here and here. But me, I think it's going to fall down more. Unless if the Fed came with something and change the view. Yeah, no, because everything it's based on investors and investors like me and you. That's what the view of them. This time that one is going to fall down more, and that's what it's showing here in the chart. Our indicator, if we're looking at it, let's see it. Our indicator, as you see it, it's being here at the overbought area. Give us here that price action I show you here. Used to have here like a small wage like that. It's getting broke here. Look at it now, it's falling down. Now you are going to the oversold area. But just a scenario, maybe it will not go. But us, we said it. We said when it's going to touch here, that one, not the top one where we are now, that one here. We are very close to it. When it's going to touch it here, we'll close 50% of our profit and we will move the stop loss down to protect ourselves. Maybe it's going to touch it here and it's going to reverse. At the view, now it's going to 30 minutes to see what the Nasdaq 100 doing today. So it's going there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, the same thing we used to have here. A small wage here like that is getting broke. Look where we are here. And here in 30 minutes, I'll show you something before. Let me show it to you again. People, they've been with us and they watching the last video. What else we said here? We got here in that zone. What else we said we got? We make it like that. We said we got here a up channel like that. And what we said? We said when it touching the lower of it here, there is no power to push it to go higher to touch the top of it. And what happened here? It's breaking that channel, that up channel we used to have here. And now it's falling down. The take profit of that one, it needs to be down here at that level here as you see it. So that one is showing it's still falling down more. Did we need to enter long now? No, not yet. We don't got any price action yet, indicating for us the market is going to reverse. Even if you make like that a channel, maybe it's going to reverse here, but it's still falling down. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, it's entered here to the oversold area. Sold we buy. No, we don't need to buy. You are in a very stronger supply and demand zone, but we don't got any price action here indicating for us we need to enter long, so we need to wait more till a price action appear to us. And as you see, we be long for how long? Till it came the price action. The same things you need to wait in when you want to enter long again. Now that's what I'm telling you. Now it's going to see the DXY or US dollar, what it's doing today. So let's go in there. That one here in the 4 hours, if you remember, people that been with us used to have here a head and shoulder. We said when it's going to break here the neckline, we enter long. It's breaking here, but it fell down by the tail of that candle here. It hitting for us the stop loss, as you see it here. Now what me I told you in the last video, I told you got here like a mega fall like that. That's what me I told you in the last video. I told you if that one came and breaking up here, you enter long. But now also here we got another price action. If you're looking with me here like that and like that, what you got here? You got here a triangle, as you see it. Now that one, if it came and breaking here, that level here, you enter long. That's a part of trading. Take profit of you. It needs to be where we said before, here, exactly here. In that level, you protect yourself. But the take profit exactly is going to be more than that. You just came like that. And the place where it's going to be broken is going to be here at the 200 moving average. That's how it's looking here. But till now we haven't break, so we need to wait and more what's going to happen. It's our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator is saying also we are here at the oversold area. That's a part of trading. Level, yes, we are in a very stronger level. Third thing, we got here a price action, but till now that price action it doesn't complete it yet, so we need to wait and more. Now let's go into the daily to see what the DXY doing today. So let's go in there. Here in the daily you get a clear picture in the 4 hours. Here in the daily also we break in here that uptrend we used to have here. We break it here, but till now even when we break it, it's showing here big pin bars here. Why? Because you are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. If you're looking with me here, last time from here it's resting. Same thing now here you are in it. Now we need to make a close eye if we are going to go back inside here. If we go back inside here, that man is going to reverse. If it's not, it's going to fall down more than that. So that's why I told you stay waiting what's going to happen. Till now there is nothing confirmed here in the US dollar, so we need to wait and more. Now it's going to 30 minutes to see what the US dollar doing today in 30 minutes. So we're going there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, what me I told you? I told you the same thing. We got here a mega fall like that. That's what me I told you in the last video. I told you if it doesn't come and break in here, there is no entry yet, because if it came here and break in here, it's going to break even that uptrend as we're talking about. Let me show it to you. As you see it, that's what I'm talking about. If it came like that and do it like that and break in here, that man is going to break even that uptrend as we have here. That man the US dollar is going to reverse. If it's not, there is no entry yet. You're still waiting what's going to happen, because till now you are in a downtrend. Look with me here. You break that uptrend as we used to have in the daily. We came down here. We came back. We touch it here. Maybe now we just resting, then after that we're going to break the last low, which is here. That's what I'm telling you. It's our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, it doesn't enter to the overbought or oversold area. Also we are just sideways, and that's what it's telling us now. So there is no entry long, no entry short here in the US dollar. You need to wait more till the right opportunity came to you. Now let's going to see the Bitcoin, what it's doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes in Bitcoin. That one, same thing. There is nothing new here. That one, me I tell it to you before. Me I got 2 levels here. That one and that one here. If it doesn't get broke, there is no entry long, no entry short. Yes, I told you we got here a triangle like that, like that. When it's getting broke here, we'll dive you enter short to here. But till now it's showing us another price action here, as you see it here. He tried to give us here a price action. That one, what it's indicating, as you see it, it's giving us here a double bottom. So it's indicating maybe it's going to go up till here, but till now there is no clear picture. Me I told you, me I'm waiting here. I drawing the 2 levels like that and one down here. I show it to you in the last video. If you don't see the last video or the analysis of the Bitcoin, I told you if it doesn't break here, we are not going to enter short. If it doesn't break up here, the one with the dots, that weekly downtrend, we are not going to enter long. Also we stay waiting here what's going to happen. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, enter here to the oversold area level. You are in a very stronger supply and demand zone here. So scalpers, they can enter from here to here maybe. to that last peak here, because that's what it's showing now. It's showing it's going to go up to here, that part, or maybe it will not go. Maybe it's just going to touch here the 200 moving average here. Then after that, it's going to fall down to break for us that last low, because if you look in with me here, look with me here, you came here. If it came here and touching the 200 moving average and give you another low like that, what that indicating? Look with me here, low, high, another low. So that one is a downtrend, but it's need to come from here and to break here, to break that last low which is here. I think everything is too clear, so that's it for that video. See you after the daily candle finishes to analyze for you the Bitcoin. Bye for now, guys.